everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I'm in full pajamas because it's about 9 p.m. and I just got a little box in the mail. So we're just gonna break into this and I'm gonna get it up for you guys as soon as I can, just so everyone knows what's in this box. So if you're interested in seeing what is in my base November Boxycharm, then please keep on watching. All right, so I'm actually really nervous for this, and that sounds really dumb, but from what I understand about this month's Boxycharm is that a lot of people got this Natasha Denona palette. I am just gonna start opening this because I need to know. And some people did not. I think a good majority got the Natasha Denona, and I want it so badly. Like I could never buy a Natasha Denona palette. It's just not in the cards for me. And so if I'm given like even one of the small ones in this, I'm just gonna go forward to opening it. So, oh, it does come with a 25% off for Natasha Denona. Okay, I know I should save the most exciting for last, but I think I got it. Okay, this is so exciting. I'm not trying to act so ridiculous, but like I've never tried the Natasha Denona formula. I didn't think I really ever would. I am very low budget makeup, and here she is. Okay, that's really pretty. I won't be too excited until I try it because I am a believer in not all expensive makeup is necessarily good. But I wanted to touch on this quickly because I need to do more research. But I think if this is true and some people get a Natasha Denona palette and some don't, I don't want to say it doesn't matter what the replacement is, but that's kind of messed up because this is something that a lot, like a brand name and item that people really seek after. So if this is not given to everybody, then I think that's kind of an issue for Boxycharm, even though I'm excited I got it. The next thing is I have a Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. It has a very pretty box. Let's see what it looks like. It's a big package. So like I have a feeling it's gonna be a big, is it a toner? Serum. It's gonna be a big serum. All right, so here it is. It's a very cute little bottle. I think it's the same kind of pump as like the Jeffree Star highlighters where you use this to like pick it up when you're inside. And then you have some. Let's just read the directions. Apply a pea-sized amount to cover the entire face, neck, and décolletage. Apply twice daily. I will use this tonight before I go to bed, and I will wrap up this video tomorrow morning. Next, I have two Moda brushes. I've actually been wanting to buy some new brushes, and these are like the exact shapes that I wanted them in. Nice packaging, they're gold, they're pretty. Wow, okay, they're nice and soft. I think I'll get more use out of this one than I will out of this one, but they're both nice. I'll leave them out so I do my Natasha Denona eyeshadow with them. All right, so next we have a Jouer, which I think this is two Jouer items in two boxes in a row. Lip enhancer. I don't know what that is. I know I probably should know what that is. Conditioning lip treatment. Is this just chapstick? I'm gonna put this on now. Hello? I think this is literally just chapstick. I'll read about this and I'll get back to you. It feels like chapstick. Okay, we'll see where that goes. I'm not thrilled with that one at the moment. So the last thing we have is a pumpkin turmeric 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask. Okay, let's read the directions and break on in. Nourishing mask and face polish all in one. Resurfaces and smooths skin. Great for sensitive skin. That's important for me. Pumpkin boost collagen. Nourishes skin with superfoods. Smooth a thin layer of clean, damp skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently massage in circular motions with warm water. Then rinse clean. Use 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, just like a nice, cute little bottle. I actually, like, this is why I love Boxycharm. I don't have any face masks right now, and I haven't since I moved to Florida. I just am bad at spending money on, like, things I would like, because I'm like, wow, but that could go towards anything else. Then I don't buy it. So I'm really excited to have a mask. This is just what it looks like, in case you were curious. It doesn't look like a clay mask. It really is just like a thin, ooh, that smells really good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put that on my face. Okay, so that's everything that's in my box. Let's talk through this quickly. So the Natasha Denona palette, $48. That makes sense. That is cool that it's a Boxy exclusive. Yeah, that's really exciting. I'm happy I got the Natasha Denona. I want to do more research on if everyone got it or not. I'll insert a clip of that here. All right, so my research was not extensive, but according to this comment that I found on Reddit, and I did fact check with Boxycharm site, it looks like you either are getting the Natasha Denona palette or you're getting a pure palette, or there's a third one that this commenter called a no-name brand. I couldn't find it on the site anywhere. So not everyone gets the Natasha Denona palette. I think that's something they need to fix. I know that this is kind of a gambling thing. Like, you're doing Boxycharm knowing you might not get any of the products you want or anything of value.
If you're going to put something as high of a name as Natasha Denona, I think this should have been an everyone product, especially since it's exclusive to Boxycharm. You can't get it elsewise. You're subscribed to the site. I'll stop ranting. I think they should have given it to everyone. Sorry to everyone who didn't get that palette.
The Volition Beauty Water Serum, $62. Listen, I'll let you know tomorrow morning what I think of that. The Jouer Cosmetics Lip Enhancer, $17. I'm pissed. This is chapstick. Let's see what it says. Infused with good-for-you clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging events while providing... This is chapstick. This is $17 chapstick. I'm really happy with everything else. Not thrilled about that. Yensa Beauty 2-in-1 Radiance Mask, $45. Okay, $45 for this. Little pricey. Smells really good. Wouldn't buy it on its own. Moda, the eye sculptors, $15. Yeah, okay, that's fine. All right, so supposedly this box is worth $187. Again, you pay $25 for Boxycharm as is. So now there's not a lot of makeup in here. When I'm actually looking at it, we have a chapstick, eyeshadow brushes, a mask, a water serum, and an eyeshadow palette. So that is kind of a bummer. This is actually very low in actual makeup items. Luckily, I will get use out of all of these, except the chapstick. So this box is actually kind of weird. I don't want to call it disappointing because I'm happy about the amount of skincare and stuff that's in it, but I feel like a lot of the people who get Boxycharm aren't really getting it for like skincare recommendations, and there's only one makeup item. So I'm going to do an eyeshadow look. I'll zoom you in and I'll play with this because it's fun, but I'm not putting on a full face just to play with some eyeshadow. So I'm going to put my hair up, I'm going to zoom you in, and let's play with some Natasha Denona. All right, so let's look. I'm just gonna do a very simple look with this. I'm gonna start with this all over the lid. I'm going to do this one in the crease. I'm going to do one of these, I don't know which one yet, going in deeper, and that one I'm going to do like on the lid for a sparkle. Ooh, the other maybe I'll do with an under eye. Let's see if I can use all 5 shadows. Ooh, okay, these brushes are like kind of fun. I don't know why they're fun to hold just because they have a cool handle, but they are. Even the tan shade itself has seemingly really good payoff. I don't normally see like the shade this color on my eye, and I definitely see it right now. All right, using that same brush, I'm going to go in to darken up that crease. I will say with this palette, I have a feeling it's kind of built for people like me and beginners because I mean, it's only 5 pans, but it's just very self-explanatory what you can and can't do with this palette. I feel like there's 2 colors, a crease and a lid color and a shimmer. Maybe I have a very small scope. It seems limited in what it can do, but getting a Natasha Denona palette in a Boxycharm, I don't think I really have the right to complain about anything. Put that in the crease. I'm gonna just diffuse it a little bit on the outside with that lid color again. Kind of messy. Again, it's late at night. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not being the most precise, but I am testing for blendability and color payoff. I'm gonna go in with this orange color because I feel like that's one I can't use in my daily life as much. Okay, hi, my dad called and now I am back. Let's zoom back in. So where were we? We were packing some like Cheeto dust red orange on both of the lids. Just blend it all together, shall we? I will say the color payoff is absolutely beautiful, and I didn't particularly notice until I got to this orange shade. I think it's gorgeous. I think I would rarely ever reach for a pan of this size, but with these colors, I do feel like it works. All right, wow. Okay, I've been packing too much onto the brush. So now I'm going to use this pink one to do the under eye. All right, the brush was dirty, so it looks a lot more orange on the bottom of my eyes than it does pink. I have a feeling it's because I used the dirty brush with the red, so I can't speak to the pink. But all of the other ones are really good so far. Let's throw a little bit of glitter on the inner lid. Whoa. Okay. Suddenly, I entirely understand the hype for Natasha Denona. Okay, I'm really impressed with that. I was kind of hoping I didn't like it just for the purpose of I don't ever want to see a Natasha Denona release and think I need that because I'll buy it and then my bank account will be sad. But that was a beautiful shadow. Okay, so I'm gonna give that a yes. I really like that. So I'm gonna wipe this off and then we're gonna try the face mask. The chapstick, I'm just gonna tell you, not worth it. I don't care if it's like permanently healing my lips right now. I don't care if it's giving me injections. $17, it's a chapstick, not worth it. So as I said, I'm gonna try the mask. I'm gonna take this off. I'll come back to wash it off, and then overnight I'm gonna try the serum, and then I'll give my final thoughts on everything.
We did our job. We got Biden in the White House. Like, everything's good, but it's not.
This is the best smelling mask I've ever felt in my entire life. It's on. It doesn't look like it is. I put it on and I even rubbed it in a little bit. So if this goes poorly, it's probably my own fault. I will be back with some results. All right, so I just washed the mask off of my face. I will say it smelled amazing. It felt really good. Getting it off my skin feels a little bit hard. Like there's definitely still some kind of like residue left over, which I'm not like the biggest fan of that feeling. I would say it's worth it. I'm not saying it's worth the money. I'm saying within the Boxycharm itself, I think it's worth it. So now overnight, I'm going to try the serum and I will wrap this video up tomorrow in editing. Good night.
Hi, it's me again. So I tried the serum. It's fine. It feels nice. It was very tightening, which I tend to be a fan of. I will use it until it's gone. My thing is I don't think anything's ever going to beat the ordinary prices and like cleanness of skincare for me. So I'll use it. I'll like it. It's not going to convince me to buy it after it's gone. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. All of my normal links are going to be down below about the Black Lives Matter movement, how you can stay involved, and I'm going to be adding some links about how to stay active in the Senate race in Georgia as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe to stay a part of this weird little journey that we're on, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!